Jason Tatum's injury, how concerned are you guys for the Celtics heading into the next? I mean, let's first talk about these playoffs. Approaching tomorrow's game, the next game against the Celtics. Do you feel like tapos na against the Celtics, and what does it look like sa upcoming season for 2026? Ano, 2025, 2026 ba? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be tough. It's
Hmm.
well, when you think about it, that's when you have a team talaga na that's why they built the Celtics that way. Just in
Hmm.
case something happens. Fortunately, it happened to Tatum, but this is Jalen Brown's time to actually prove his worth as a $300 million player.
300 million!
Di ba? Parang this is your chance, Of course, you've seen glimpses wherein, all right, I may be Batman today because Tatum's not playing well. But it's always gonna be an argument that they work with each other. That's why they win. So now this is
Hmm.
the perfect time for JB to uh show his critics, um turn around this series against New York, and you know make sure something happens out of it. And yun lang sa akin, I think all eyes on him, sabi nga ni Tupac.
All eyes on him. And yun nga talaga, just more on what you said, Mano, no, $300 million guy. People are not convinced. I think 9 out of 10 guys, or even 99% of people are not convinced that's a number one option kind of contract eh. 'Di ba? Yung mga ganun. So imagine mo if Jalen Brown brings Boston out of this series down 3-1, mag-iiba yung tingin sa kanya, and maybe ako feel ko, if lift niya ang Celtics outside the 3-1 hole, I feel like they won't break up this team. Kasi may rumors na i-break up nila yung
One or
team
the other, yeah,
because,
one or the other.
like tatanggal ba trade
Yeah.
si Drew Holiday, they might take out, transfer Al Horford, since, di ba, usually pag may new management sa NBA, lagi
Yeah,
silang gusto
yeah,
na may
yeah.
splash, lagi silang may gustong pakulo na we're here to, we're serious about our sale. Ikaw, Grim?
No, perfect segue yun, Nico, kasi the
Hmm.
rumors are really loud na this team is gonna be broken into pieces, whether they win the championship this year or not. And this series
Hmm.
is over. It doesn't. It's only a matter of sa Madison Square Garden ba yan or sa TD Garden sa Boston. But this series is over. Boston is not going back from down 1-3 versus the Knicks without Jason Tatum. Moving forward though next year, uh, they can. I'll give them a pass. And itong Celtics kasi next year, they paid their core already. So,
Hmm.
lampas na sila dun sa second apron, which is what the NBA put in place para hindi kayo mag-stack ng stars uh, na magiging unfair na yung laban. So,
Yeah.
um, I think Drew Holiday will be gone, and I think Kristaps Porzingis will be gone. Tapos Tatum will be gone for the whole year. You only have Derek White and Jaylen Brown
Jalen Brown.
with you. Oh, I don't know if this is something that they can consider since Giannis is available in the market. Throw everything to Milwaukee. Uh, have Giannis be there for a year, and then insert mo si Tatum towards the end. I don't know if that works. I don't know salary wise how that
Sino
works.
nalagay
A
nila do?
couple of
Yeah.
teams may be involved. Um, but Milwaukee Milwaukee has to get draft picks for Giannis, and it could be a multiple team
Tough.
trade. But all I'm saying is this team will not be the same team next year. Literally, like may mawawala dito sa team na to, whether it's Holiday and or Porzingis or even more. So, uh, this the it's funny because whenever there's a champion team, there's always the idea na magre-repeat sila. Remember the Lakers when they won the bubble? Tapos
Oo.
magre-repeat sila, lost in the first round. 2021, Giannis in the Bucks won, lost in the second round, and then the Warriors won, lost in the second round to the Lakers, di ba? And then the path continues. Denver naman natalo last year sa Minnesota. So the trend continues, and it's just so unfortunate. We were hoping na ankle lang talaga di ba? Na sana
At
ankle lang,
first ba
sana
mukha bang
twisted
ankle?
lang.
Kayo guys, before the news, before everything, nung pinanood nyo yung play, does it look like an ankle injury?
Biyak talaga.
Nung first
Ah,
replay, you're like, dito ankle.
it's for
Kung
me,
ano,
it's just the movement. The
The
movement,
movement.
just seeing that type of movement for thousands of times and ends up always the same. Parang yon.
And the only reason na sinabi ko na baka ankle lang is nung si Solomon Hill, the Devil Solomon Hill, dove on LeBron's ankle. Yung high ankle sprain ni LeBron, ganun na ganun din yung reaction niya ng 2021. So,
Pero
I
buti
thought baka
ankle.
ganun lang
Pero
talaga.
kasi
Oo nga.
ang
Oo,
difference lang nun, yon contact eh.
contact.
Yung
Oo, oo.
yun lang siguro yung difference nun. Pero other than that, parang ang hirap. Pero either way, both masakit.
Oo.
Masakit both.
Masakit parehas.
He would have been out for the series na rin, whatever happens. And LeBron is known for flopping, so I
Wow,
can't use that as
ouch.
a reference.
Ang
Lahat
sakit
ng
naman nun.
inatake. Favorite player niya
I
by the way
can't.
si LeBron. Favorite player niya by the way si LeBron.
No,
Guys,
no, but
may mag-hi lang sa inyo. May mag-hi. Hello to the
Hello.
podcast.
Congratulations.
congratulations.
Number one viewer natin yan
Number one
sa,
viewer, first viewer.
sa podcast natin.
There you go. Yeah, but
Ano ba?
it's interesting no na it's an Achilles tear. Pero we've seen Kevin Durant na naka-recover pa and was still
Oh,
this
buti mas
90%.
bata pa. And then at the same time, mas bata pa si
Oh,
Yeah,
Tatum
Tatum's
mas
when it
bata pa si
27
happened.
here.
Tatum.
Oh.
Mm.
Pero
And he,
I would agree with Graham na series is over. Yeah, I would agree
a
with
series
Graham.
is over. And you already got paid, at least on the bright side, di ba? You already got your money.
Yeah.
So you're good to go.
He
It
got
would have been
breaded.
more it would
Get
have been more
breaded.
heartbreaking if contract year niya ngayon tapos tsaka siya na
Damn, that
Achilles
would have been
tear.
the worst. That would have
Di
been the
ba?
worst. I'm
That
like, fuck.
Boogie Cousins, di ba? Boogie
Oh,
Cousins kind of
fuck.
injury. So, yeah, but he got paid. And I don't like the Celtics anyway. So, the next
Valid,
advancing
valid. Valid, valid.
the next advancing will be great for the basketball world.
Naalala ko dito talaga yung yung 2019 Durant injury na the Warriors needed multiple
Yes.
years before they could get back to where they were. Parang 3 years ata, di ba, bago sila ulit nag-champion, yung 2022 Warriors.
Yeah.
After nung So I
But
feel like the Celtics are looking at the same trajectory. Do you guys see Jaylen Brown getting traded? What do you think? Kasi kung build around Tatum ka,
Uh,
or
nah,
hindi,
nah. I think
that's
he's
his
there to
Robin.
stay.
Okay,
They didn't pay him that amount of money just to leave.
actually.
and the other reason is who in his right mind would want to take that contract as an option B.
Organization, di ba?
Di ba? Parang if I'm a team, I'd rather pay $300 million to my best player, not my second best player. So no, not Jalen Brown. But going back to Warriors real quick before we end, yung I think hindi mo siya pwede i-compare kasi they also lost Klay Thompson in that same series. Di
Dalawa,
ba?
yeah.
The Celtics only lost Jason Tatum. So they still have Jalen Brown, but I think next year they're not
It's
gonna
gonna
be
be interesting, actually.
Kung,
biglang wide open kasi yung consensus was they're
So,
gonna go
hindi,
back to back.
malaking bagay kasi meron kang mainstream free agent who's looking for a mainstream market. Alam mo yun? With
Which is
Giannis.
si
Giannis.
Giannis.
Shopping siya ng GSW, shopping siya ng Miami.
San
Now
Antonio,
that's what
Manong. San
San
Antonio,
San
daw.
Antonio. But hindi pa rin yun main market. Oo, nagiging main market because of Wemby.
Oo.
Pero Miami,
Miami.
GSW, Boston, 'di ba? Those three top market teams na now with the development, if Boston wants that, Drew Holiday and Kristaps for Giannis and a couple of picks and a little bit of petty cash. I mean,
Feel ko
okay.
you have to throw the whole treasure chest, not just a couple of picks for Giannis, no?
And I mean, you gotta remember, Damian Lillard's out too.
Oo
So
nga
you
pala.
you
Achilles din,
you
di ba? Achilles.
you,
Yes.
you have a guard, a winning guard that can replace, a Damian Lillard for the year. Plays defense too. You got Chris Stops. You got a couple of young players in Milwaukee. Maybe steal a pick or something like that. Both teams will be definitely desperate to salvage a season next year.
Let's end it at this, no? Are the Celtics a playoff team next year? Knowing na,
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Because the East is weak. If they're
Yeah.
in the West, no.
That
okay.
that's one. And if they keep maybe Drew or Porzingis, they'll definitely be a playoff team.
Not just not in the inner circle of championship contenders.
Yeah, we can't really put them in that level next season.
Pang spoilers lang
No,
sila. Maybe past the first round
no,
and
Underdogs.
then
like
Underdogs.
someone who
Underdogs.
underdogs lang
like someone
talaga.
you don't
Wow,
want
the
to see in the
Celtics
first
as
round. Kasi
underdogs.
Tatum may come back next in the postseason, di ba?
Yeah.
If it's
Yeah.
a 1 year injury, then he
Yeah.
may be back by April. And then if Tatum is there and he's 100%, then it's a different story.
Yeah.
But one last thing, Manong, how about this? Christian Coloco, Alex Den, Markieff Morris, and first round picks for Giannis.
Grabe naman yun.
Nahirapan bigla. Ano ba ginagawa natin
Grabe.
dito?
Grabe naman yun. Parang nakita ko yung Facebook page na trade nung parang isang Hinebra page na Jason David, Bon Pesumal,
Para
Ku, Isaac Go, para kay Arvin Tolentino Monson, tsaka kay William Navarro.
magulat ka sina admin nun, yun, no? Katabi natin. Ayaw lang
Sabi ko,
aminin.
grabe. Sabi ko, grabe naman tong trade na to.
Alam mo
Parang
yung
ano,
Ayun.
parang ano pang my player eh.
parang yung meron kang honey bar tapos nakita mo yung pamangkin mo may Cadbury Dairy Milk. Uy, palit tayo. Akin na yan.
Palit tayo, di
Sarap
ba?
to.
Hindi, masarap
Di ba?
din yan, di ba?
Nilog.
Masarap din yan. Yung goyo na eh. Ginoyo mo.
Just something that I thought of. But yeah, it's interesting. The
Keep it a
Celtics
thought, Jem.
are done
Keep
for
it a
two
thought.
years.
Keep it a thought. Keep it there. Kaya ka na babash eh. Di ba yung comment?
Oh, man.
Our favorite
Y'all are
Hinebra
crazy.
Homer, Gremnap.
Y'all are crazy.
Graham Sharp.
Kaya hindi ako makakapasok sa PBA dahil sa pinagagawa niya.
Kahit i-vouch ka ni Mano. Ay, hindi. Mano,
No,
sorry ah.
no.
Di pwede
Mabait
eh.
yan. Mabait yan. Mabait talaga
Hindi,
yan.
pwede naman. Pwede naman. Hindi ka lang i-assign sa Hinebra Games, di ba?
Pwede. Sige. Sa Magnolia ka na lang ilalagay.
You don't wanna hear what I think of Pagdam. But
Oh,
yeah,
wag mo na
I'm good.
sabihin.
That's
I'm
Ayoko
for
good.
another
makancel.
topic.
Abot tayo dyan. Abot tayo dyan when the playoffs come. If they're
Yeah,
still
yeah.
around. If they're
Yeah.
still around.
Anyway, yung naman guys, comment kayo kung ano sa tingin nyo mangyayari sa Celtics for the next season and in this playoffs. As always, on Spotify, follow 5-star rating, and then sa YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, Six Man Podcast. Nico here, Manong Kiefer Ravena, and Grem, who's in the office. I gotta say that again, para kung nakikinig yung boss ni Grem. Nasa opisina yung employee mo. Hanapin mo na lang kung saan yung corner na yan. And guys, thank you
Uh,
so much for listening to the podcast
yes,
as always.
sir.
Adios, amigos.
Peace.
Adios.